Come to this side. Come to this side. Right, is my friend. Introduce yourself.
Alright, I am
Is it mine?
Jamaica, and I'm also a police officer.
Hey. She's a police officer.
Okay, alright. Oh.
I look like a body in a bed.
No worry about that.
Yeah.
I like my
look
tall
how tongue
man
in
them,
there.
so.
Catch me,
No make you catch your eye, no make you fool, you can't not do nothing.
But she not put together, bro.
Yeah, that's good.
She not put together, bro. You not put together.
Yeah, but you're still not my type because your eyebrow and them chop up too much and you look like somebody stung in your face.
What?
Just his attire. I don't like his attire at all. Just look like one yard slippers. Like you should have come in as something better.
She just like she have a funeral still, but you know, yeah.
Listen, I just like I'm going to a
Yeah,
funeral.
full black man, you know, see no other is color, you know, see. Yeah, like a funeral, like a old dead.
Who did?
Mm.
Maybe your swag, sweetie. Maybe your swag.
Novo Pandora.
Yo, I the next put the balloon and find love. Linstead, you ready? Yeah. Yo, my dear Linstead, you see it? I took Flatbridge. But the nervous, you see it? I'm brave up, you don't know. Alright, the man them, it's simple and easy, you see it? When a girl walk out and you like her, you keep your balloon, okay? Yeah, if you don't like her, what you gonna do? Pop your balloon, you see it? Big up the real studio in a Linstead. Them say the best dressed man right now, them are gonna win a prize, you see it? Them are win cash. So the audience, una gonna choose, una gonna tell me who are the best looking male right now, you see it? Una gonna tell me who are the best looking female. Rate the lineup, you don't know. Got it night like all the time chips. Banana chip. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Alright, what you know? Don't cuss me in the comments. You see me? I give you a hug. I know my ear. I know you want it earlier. See it? I never know, say, Linstead, not near Old Harbour. Me, the thing say Linstead right near Old Harbour. You see me? So people from Old Harbour, you could have make it to Linstead. Duh. Alright. Only so lazy. You know what I'm drive call? We are Old Harbour. How far Old Harbour there? 3 hours? About 3 hours. 3 hours. You say, Sharman, 3 hours. 3 hours to Old Harbour from Linstead. Come in, man. Trelawney. You come in, you see it? You just link up on my Instagram. Make sure you dress on the best. You see it? Like a first date. You see me? Trelawney, Negril, Westmoreland. We come in. You see it? You ready for the first female? Yeah. No, I don't understand this. You ready for the first female? Yeah. Alright then. Alright, just wait until she reach right, so yeah? Come to this side. Introduce yourself.
I'm Momo.
Hi, Momo. What type of job do you do?
I'm assistant teacher.
Oh, you're a teacher. Oh, alright then. And when it comes on to like a male, Momo, what's your type?
Tall, dark skin, and respectful.
Okay. Oh, alright then. And what's like a pet peeve, like a red flag when it comes on to a male?
Red flag.
Use up the mic.
Red flag. Me not really too like when it's too rough.
Rough?
Yeah.
You know,
rough
like
you do something and them attack you about it, but they might be rough.
oh, you know, like rough money, like a man where I talk to you, soft, explain. Even if you make him upset?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright then. Alright then. Alright, shout out the social.
Um, Mo underscore mother of two, and on TikTok, D underscore girl underscore Momo.
Alright. So we got some pops before we go down the line. You see me? More ask you like why your ideal first date? Like where you
First
like a
date?
man bring you up on a first date?
Oh,
Just use a man.
me no three for can go movie or one nice restaurant or something.
Restaurant movie. Alright. So we got some pops so I can find out why them pop the balloon.
Yeah,
Ready?
sure. Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Alright, so your name, social. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Alright, so your name a Turnbull, Instagram underscore guarded underscore, TikTok one underscore guarded. Reason put balloon, me no really meet fear much. First she said tall man, me the weird on so. Weird on me no, but me woulda give her around 6 out of 10 still. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that give her a 6 out of 10 based on her appearance.
Based on her appearance.
Alright, what you like about her? Why you give her a 6 though?
She just decent. She not come half naked or nothing, you see it? Yeah. Hate that.
Oh, so share your type?
No.
Alright. Alright. Based on his appearance, what you think about it and what you have to say?
Yeah. When you say alright, give myself. Yeah, I'm a dog.
Oh yeah, that.
Yeah, I'm a good friend. Yeah.
Okay. Alright then. Alright, we'll go down the line. Right, just- Your name and why you pop your balloon in your social?
My name Sharp Boss on IG and TikTok.
Oh, why them call you sharp ass?
Sharp.
Alright. And why you pop your balloon?
You say no, you like sharp man, so sharp.
Yeah, but when she said that you never pop it, you wait after.
I'm cool papi. Me, me I try squeeze, but yeah, this pop. Yeah,
Or like you want a toothpick.
yeah.
Alright, based on her appearance though, how much you da rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her 6.
Why 6?
Just 6. Yeah. 6.
Alright. Based on his appearance, what you think about him and what you have to say?
When you say
Nice
good,
still.
that give my 5.
5.
Yeah.
Cause I'm why?
Short, too short.
Too short? Or you like a give him a 5 because of 5 foot?
Yeah.
Alright,
Alright, move on.
get it. Your name social and why you pop your balloon?
Name Sauce Boss Panagram. English underscore Sauce Boss 6. Use some Papa Balloons. So that's not my type still. And that's not wrong still. That's not my type, you know?
Okay. Based on her appearance, how much you da rate her though?
I give her around 5, you know?
5?
Yeah, man, I give her around 5. Honestly.
Alright. What you think about him appearance?
But I give 1 5 too. Yeah.
Why you give him a 5?
I don't look bad, but I can't go and say get a 5. Yeah.
Alright?
But
Yeah,
you know, a
man.
dark skin me say so.
Alright?
Yeah.
Come down to this side. Your name social and why you pop your balloon?
Shamar, social, banks underscore trim, Instagram and TikTok.
And why you pop your balloon?
Cause she said she like tall man and soft nigga. You see, rough, me rough.
Oh yeah. Oh, basically I say you're rough.
Yeah.
Like you that rough her up.
Not really rough, but she said she want man a soft. Me not soft, bro.
Not if it too soft, but not everything you're gonna bad me up for. Huh?
Alright, how much you da rate her from 1 to 10?
Give her 1 6.
What you think about him?
7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah, fit can go on.
Yeah?
Not bad.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Alright, come down to this side. What you say? Alright. So the man them who wrote a balloon.
Right. Seriously?
Alright, let's go to
Okay.
your name, social and why you pop your balloon.
One critical on every platform, TikTok, Instagram, everything. The reason why me pop my balloon is that that's not my type, to be honest. Isn't me? Me don't know why, but me just not see as a type to me. Believe.
You know, see her as the type.
Yeah, as my type, to be honest.
Alright, based on her appearance, how much you rate her?
I like give her 1 8. Cause she not ugly, isn't me? She look good same way.
Thanks.
Yeah, cause she have shape and everything. Only thing me not feel like I crooks, but you look good same way.
Alright.
You're
thanks.
cute, me not lie.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
What you think about what him say? And
In fit nice, but I give him a 8.5, 8.5. Yeah, I'm going with himself. I'm like glasses. Yeah.
Me your
To
type?
come out.
Me your type?
I not really feel the energy, but you look nice. I'm like a color, skin color.
Okay.
yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Come down to this side. Alright. So the man them who wrote a balloon, walk with grace for man, please. Alright, so basically, we have 3 males right now with them balloon. So I'm just basically I gotta ask you for ask each of them a question to get to know them, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah? We'll start with him first, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Your name, social.
Rice bag, you know. One rice bag on the gram.
Alright. What's his question?
What type of job you do?
Farming, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. As you can see out I farm me out from big clothes and sit here. Some man say? Yeah. That a quote, man.
Alright.
Oh, he's a farmer.
Yeah, farmer. Prepare onion and them thing there. That's some man say? Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Good. Your name, social.
You know, say I want King Trendy on the IG 2 underscore in the middle. Though TikTok Trendy King 3Y. You can we have to wire to over TikTok when we over there lose.
What's his question?
Where would I carry a girl on their first date?
Well, the first date, you know, baby, me nah lie to you, you know. That go cheap, you know. I never knows. First date, we have a lot more in store if you pass that test, you know. Yeah, but we are doing cheap for your first date.
Okay.
Believe.
Alright. Your name, social.
My colors. On TikTok, my colors see me too.
What's his question?
You have kids?
Yeah.
How much?
3.
Okay.
That's it? Alright. Alright, go on to the side. Alright, so I know we have 3 balloons here. So you're gonna pop one balloon where you now feel most, you know? So who's gonna be? Oh, you have to squeeze it. Man, I have a pig now. So get. No. Alright. This side. Alright, so first me have to ask you why you kept your balloon.
I'm sexy and cock up as a man say. My type. Yeah, my type. That a code, man.
Oh, she look nice.
Nah, tell him, man, my type. My type. And she have on the crook side, something like my one, you know. Yeah.
Alright. Why you pop his balloon?
As I said, dark skin
So the meaning
is
that
light.
one?
Is too light. Look a bit too light.
Oh.
Yeah. And nah, I feel it.
You know, I feel it.
But me not get hard for you feel it yet. So we are talk. What you
Not
not
feeling the
feel?
energy.
Oh, energy. If you say
Yes.
man, if man say that if you say.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
I don't give him a 2.
Voila, it don't
Alright.
load. It don't load. We know. 1 billion still in here, so man say. body there. Okay.
Alright, so how much did I rate her? From 1 to 10?
Kind of broke it still, kind of billion now. Put on B on it. Yeah, on a 1. Put on B on a 1. That's what I say.
Alright then. Never much today. Walk your grace for me now. Alright, come to this side, G. Alright, so like how them have them balloon, me I gonna make them ask you a question for get to know you, for see if there's a chemistry because you know basically you say you want to feel the energy, right? So, my G, what's her question?
Yeah, baby, so big up linstead. The game kind of change and we, you know what me say, first data cheap. So me as a man will like drive up on the north coast, so me I drive one day and me say, yo, gas done out of tank. How much you put in it?
How much would I put in it?
Yeah, how much gas you put in it? Car tank. We got a gas station, yeah?
And we are going on North Coast?
And north coast we I go. Me have my money, you know, but me not feel like spending.
I don't know how much you can. I don't know how much you carry got Ochi. I don't know. 1 5 girl can carry got Ochi. I'll come back.
One more question. She said she don't like rough man. What you mean? Can you break that down for me?
Alright. Basically, if we're in our arguments, we want to deal with things on a level. We not affair. Load up things and I
So my type of rough. Yeah, me get it now. So my
Yeah,
type
fine.
of roughness different. So if me say put your neck in that short hole, what you gonna do?
Put my neck in there too.
Yeah, so me ask if you put your neck in that short hole.
What do you put my neck in there?
Oh. Rough, you know? That type of rough, you know? Yeah.
And you have to show the action and you have to do it. Why me ever do?
I say
You know?
Alright, so before, why you kept the balloon?
Yeah, I have to give her a chance. She's a young African princess and we love the African, you know. When I don't get no woman, you could have come out, you could be a crux there, but I must caught up again still. But we have give her a chance, but you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, somebody else keep a balloon for hear you out a bit, you know what I mean? Sorry.
Alright, how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Yeah, so I want 4, baby. My appearance. I like personality still, but I appearance. I nah got another disrespect, bro, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so basically her appearance, so you say she look nice.
Yeah. She have nice personality, man, believe.
Alright. Based on him appearance and what him say, what you think about it?
Alright, when I give him a 3. Yeah.
3 out of
Like
10.
class though, but yeah, yes, a 3.
And why you give him a 3 though?
Let's give him a 3, right? No, I really.
Okay, I
Yeah.
understand. Is he a type though, like you feel like if him approach you outside of here, if him can get a number?
No.
Okay, understand. Okay. Wasn't that much to them, G? Walk quick grace for me now. This MG. Alright, so it's down to 1 right now. Some really want to do like a 1 minute thing where both of them can ask each other a question to get to know each other. Yeah? So we're gonna start with him. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright then. What's her question?
She good now, me know, so me not really like her crocs and her cheap skirt and this. Yeah, see me? So she good still. We get her 7.
No, may I say you get for ask her a question. Forget for know her.
Me know her still, but she good, you see me? But me not really too really. Both teeth and everything, that not really my style.
I don't understand.
I say me know her still, she good my boss, you know? But me and her not too,
You must say not that much.
not that much, you see me?
Yeah. That's what I say. Basically.
But you have your balloon.
Pop your balloon.
But me I say it's not that much, me not really like her still.
But why you don't have your balloon all along?
Just should me not like her and father.
Eh?
Just should me not like her, you see me?
No, if
No,
you not
you
like
pop your
her, you have to
balloon
pop the
if you're not
balloon.
interested.
No, but me not just want to talk and make you know. Tell her.
No, but you don't get a chance to tell her though.
I'm just a tell her still, you see me, father?
Alright. Based on her appearance, so how much should I rate her again?
Yeah, 7 still.
7. What do you think about him, man? Based on him appearance, how much should I rate him?
You can get back a 7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Is he a type though?
No. No.
No?
Yeah.
Alright then. Wasn't that much to them, G? Or I could grace for me, please. Whoa, alright, so I don't know. Alright, yeah. But today, we really and truly have to make people fall in love with Linstead.
Yeah,
But
man.
it wasn't that much today. So all you have to do, walk with grace for me, yeah?
Yeah, big up yourself.
Big off.
Yeah.
Wow. Live boss. Me never tell the man say if him not like her, pop the balloon. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Yo, watch you know? I'm not forget, you know, England. Like a summer, you know. Nah, lie, you know. Yeah? For the people, them. Oh, me tell you, not ever send $5 in the PayPal. PayPal wicked. You know how much PayPal when you send the $5, you know how much me get? $2. Like, una forgot send $10 and then me see what them are gonna do. You see? Yo, big up live boss for the visual. Guess what going on? If you don't want St. Elizabeth, you know, you have to tell me, you know. Because I don't know how to find over there, you know. I don't know where to drive. You see it? So St. Elizabeth people, suckle up. You see it? The man them. Are you ready for the next female? Yeah? Ready for the next female? Alright. Look forward for me now. Come to this side. Come to this side. Right, is my friend. Introduce yourself.
Alright, I am
Is it mine?
Tabaisha, and I'm also a police officer.
Okay, alright. Oh. Okay. I can ask you like, what's your type though?
Well, for me, I'm
I
a
just
man that
use the
is
mic here.
probably about 6'2", black, tall, handsome, and thick, educated, intelligent, know what they want and know where they stand in life.
Oh, that's awesome, man. Alright, so you want a man where come to this side? Oh, so that mean you want a man where have him
Yeah,
him
have
no
shit together.
have him head pan him body.
No boy, man.
Real man.
Yeah, man.
And like, what's the ideal first date for you, and how much you think a man should carry in him pocket?
To be honest, not really talk about the ideal first date because any day can be perfect. As long as the woman make it perfect and make it standard and both person work together. Money don't have to in your pocket as long as both person willing to enjoy the moment.
Not no bad. And you say you're a police officer, you love your job?
Yeah, I do.
All
Yes, I'm a
right.
director, big up Swift.
Yeah.
Rent a car wherever you want. Wherever driver looking for, hey, you know where to find me.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Plug. Shout out the social.
Yeah, man. So actually, you can find me at angel_2023 on TikTok.
All right. So we got some pops. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. I'll start from down here. All right. All right. Just use the mic here. Put it.
Not a
All right.
problem.
Yeah. Okay. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Your name?
I say one critical platform.
Why you pop your balloon?
She just look too old to me, like not my type, like look too old. Too old.
All right. So you have old, but what do you mean by too old?
Like, look at she could be my mother. Yeah, be my grandmother too. I'm not sure. You know, that's not my preference. Like, you know.
Yeah, but right. I think your glasses need to clean.
So you
Yeah.
know.
And if I was your mother, you'd have a little style. Your pants would not need your boxer like you're advertised to a man.
My pants.
Like your body want.
And if you know, say my pants.
I don't really give a damn.
Oh, you never know.
Maybe look like your sister pants you borrow.
Yeah, but you can't buy it though.
And I hear telling us you
So
no, you
basically,
can't skip because it's on a record.
hold on now.
Yeah,
Based on
it's
her
on our
appearance though.
TV in our pause.
Based on her appearance, how much should I rate her? And you can ask her what's her age before judge though.
That girl one.
Oh, baby, I don't need your one.
Well, you have to take it now because I just get it.
No, baby. And I not if who can take, you can't push it down my throat.
All right. Based,
Like your breath really stinks in a top drawer.
Yeah, I saw it.
based on him appearance.
Zero. Come put your
0
head
to
closer
10.
now.
Kill
No, baby, your lip them look perfect.
Come to the side.
Yeah, thank you.
Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Banks underscore train. Pop my balloon cause me know me too young for her. She look like could I be my sister.
But you're not asking her age.
Me no want know her age. Me judge by looks.
Bro, judge.
Me a judge.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
I have no problem with her, no. Give her 1 7.
7 out of 10.
Yeah.
Alright, so is she a type though?
No, bro.
Alright. What you think about him?
Can I turn around for me, please? Him look fine, just the fact that I don't like man with them pants at their ass. Yeah, but him is good. So for me, maybe we'll just give him a 5.
Same pants there.
Yeah, not pleasable for me. Not something I can take to my mom.
5 out of 10.
Yeah.
And if him approach you outside though,
Probably if him a little bit put together, probably I'd give him a 6.5.
6.5. Yeah?
But she not put together, bro.
Yeah, that's good.
She not put together, bro. You not put together.
Yeah, but you're still not my type because your eyebrow and them chop up too much and you look like somebody stung in your face.
I'm mine, but I can't see looking at my face.
No, you don't look like my type.
Yeah.
Come on to this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Name Sauce Boss. Reason pop balloon. She just
Let me get some volume.
name Sauce Boss. Reason pop balloon. No man, she just not my type, you know? I'm not personal. She just not my type.
Alright, and basically, if you see her outside or like, you feel like you da approach her, or if she approach you, what you think? What you da do?
If she approach me,
Mhm.
me not talk, but would approach her because she look too serious and strict. Yeah. Mm-mm.
Alright, how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Yeah, big one.
Oh,
Like big she yeah, big one. When I give her 1 7. 1 7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Bro, you why you not ask her age then?
Yeah, how old are we?
Old enough for you not to go to prison.
Oh, okay.
Based on him appearance, how much did I rate him?
Looks like a little 15-year-old in case. I would not want to go to prison. Too young, too small, and too tiny. Not my type.
Too tiny?
I like man with body, like yours.
Okay. Come down to the side. Alright. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
You know, say a sharp boss. Just pop it through, man. You know?
Why you pop your balloon?
Through him, I say my police, you know. I mean, I know what you know. Yeah.
You know, like police? Why?
Can't talk upon the media. Yeah.
Deeper than that. Alright. What do you think about her based on her appearance though?
Well, like it tongue ring and them more. Look, tattoo there. Like them. That's it. Yeah.
Sharp boss, yeah, see that.
Nice, man.
Alright. And how much did I rate her?
Yeah, I eat.
8 out of 10. Alright. What do you think about what him have to say and what do you think about him appearance though?
Alright, the greatest thing about life is what it is. Can't create nobody. And just give birth to children. Right? They give a woman sperms and give you a child. So yeah, that's God creation. Alright? Yeah, man, but I'll give you a tree.
Alright. And why you give him a tree though?
Well, you need to put together. Hair is not properly groomed, and you're just still not looking perfect for me. But I would give you a tree if you were properly groomed and looking sharp as the way you're short. Then
You
no
never see me
problem.
I go? Like, that party?
Excuse me?
No, I say, if you ever see me, like when me put myself.
Well, I can't
You
speak
never see me
of.
on the
I
social
can't
media.
speak of.
Oh.
I'm not watching out your social media. I'm just telling you what it looks like right now, in which I gave you a 3-4. All right.
Alright. Alright. Your name? Your name and why you pop your balloon?
You know, something I too like her, do I three request she do and them thing there. That when I get corrupt.
Because I work?
Yeah, man.
Make you get corrupt?
I too like her right there. So me and her could party, you see me? Yeah, you're coming class, eh? Yeah.
What him say?
Now you know what I say? Oh, me kick turn some father.
Oh, so basically because our job you would talk to her.
I get too much of them lock up and beat and them thing. Yes, my father. Yeah.
Okay. And based on her appearance, how much you rate her?
That girl wants stuff, you shouldn't look now, yeah.
7.
If I want to tell people, I could have called her and some mama run, man. That's right. Yeah, my father. Like her goes and
Peace? What do you mean peace though?
like her nose and you know a piece I attack my father, she know me attack. She knows of food, my father. Yeah, my bro.
Alright then.
Like her 7.
7 out of 10.
Yeah, my father.
What do you think about what you have to say and based on her appearance? What do you think about it?
Oh, you have more for talking and free for talk. But first and foremost, I want to you your chin down here, so. At the ear where trim off for your head side, you catch up down here, so. Because
No,
definitely you look like that.
No,
No, it do look like that.
No, that should just start great as it.
You sure?
Yeah.
But anyway, though. Turn on for me, my friend. No, like, I linstead today. And Louis, you would normally say, come on linstead, Mark, if you come feel up. You have too much run a back expose. Yeah.
That good, man. I'm not exposed nothing. I raise my cow them and them thing, so I can't get around.
No, well, if you raise a cow, you sure not jump you. Because I only way you got advertised down there, so.
Watching them, I just keep her, I know what they're about her mother, you see me?
Tell me about my mom.
August
August 13, me born to my friend.
Born in 6 August.
And then me at the 13, me very corrupt and dark too.
And how much did I rate
And
him?
the reality, me I tell you,
How much did I rate him?
0.
Alright, come down to this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Turnbull. Now I'm gonna really say I pop my balloon because you're police. I'm gonna like you call my sister one, but not my type. And you're too wussy and disrespectful for your police. Anyway, you bring yourself come and show you should not this number. Me, I don't just tell her, man, but sit down in her face. Even if the man there freaky, me don't think they would make you sit down in their face. Billy.
But why you take it up on your head so much
No,
though?
too disrespectful
No, you
for
look
your
like
police
you
officer,
want to
man.
take it over. You want to take over the job there for them?
No time.
No, it seems
No
like
time.
because that become your
No
biggest
time.
problem, in which that shouldn't be your problem.
Too
And you're not
disrespectful and
my
you're not
type.
properly
And I'm
attired either.
perfect for that.
If you're police, if you
But the
bring
funniest
yourself
thing
better.
about it, my
Roll
dear,
it. 0 out of 10.
0 out of 10 on. Let me put
0
the
out
1
of
for
10.
you and spin it back round.
0 out
Yeah?
of 10. Or minus.
Minus.
Whatever.
Look
Yeah.
at you.
Pass.
You can't pass
You're
me,
not ready.
baby.
You know if you
I don't
disrespect
need you
nobody.
to
You're not
tell me
ready.
that.
You're not
You're
ready. You know-
not even
you
ready
know if
to
you this
stand
no man,
here.
not
You
ready.
can't tell me that. Me can't this at any time, boy. Anyway, any day.
What do you think about him based on him appearance?
You really ask a question there. Everybody even look better than the drunk here.
My man in a role, I'm not chase the man as it. So
You
anything she say, I
can't.
just so you see me.
Me have 4 lips and 2 tongue. You want to add one to it?
She will name me roll it. Go on.
You sick my stomach.
You have a stomach.
Definitely I do have one.
Come down to this side. Come down to this side. Right this over there. Come. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Yeah, I don't know, sir. Rice back again. That's what I say. And me I say, you know why I bust my balloon? Because me I say, she said she a police and I don't know me a pharmacy. You know, I born for days and Easter gone already for April. I mean, I'm me. Yeah, I say, yeah.
So you say police gibbon?
Yeah, man. What you say? Yeah.
never see the policeman yet.
Yeah, so I say.
The policeman. I don't know.
I don't know short and beer things. You never see one with ice cream one. You remember ice cream one? You have to remember the ice cream one, man.
So why out of
But
all
the
of
next
the
way
people
is
them mother tell love?
something like that. Yeah. Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, but not like police. Yeah.
Alright. You say them give bun.
Yeah, man.
You don't want that.
Yeah, man. I don't know if the next one gonna prison still. Yeah, man. I eat him, but I eat the ice cream still.
Alright. How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
And should I get a 6.25 still?
Why?
Just no say should I get a 6.25?
Alright. Alright, cool. Alright. Alright. Based on him appearance, I can say him would make you laugh. You see, you being in your
Me,
job,
right?
yeah. Based on him appearance and
Alright.
personality.
Personality, to be honest, out of 20, I will give you a 10. Like, you actually have that little comedy, and it's really fun to actually have me laugh, in which is not everybody can get that. Understand?
Shit, man. I don't talk
No,
about.
but your appearance now, you said you were a farmer.
Yeah, I'm a farmer. Prepare onion and them things. Yes, man.
Alright, that's an honest job.
Yeah.
You
Me
understand?
not rob and thief. I'm
In which
ready
that's
for
a-
dead.
in which that's an honest job.
Yeah.
But
And you're
there's
doing
only
good
one
job.
problem I have with you.
Yeah.
Your pants attire.
My pants, how them pants now? You not tight, you not tight.
What you had with scandal bag in your waist?
You know, yeah, I can't really afford belt, so I say,
No,
yeah.
worries, so afford it.
Yeah.
But the Bible telling after a while we have to run to the farmers them.
Yeah,
So proud of your job, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, so how much did I rate him?
Personality, like I said, out of 20, I gave him 10.
So how much about the attire?
Attire, 1. Honest the truth.
I life, man.
1.
Yeah, 1.
I life.
Alright. The man named without a balloon walk with grace for me, please. Alright. Alright, before we go forward, I want to ask you, like, you're straightforward, like, off job and in job, like, you get a little jovial side of you, or what? I just so you stay.
I have job.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a down to earth, easygoing,
Mhm.
love to read. Person who have people that I influence. As you can see, I have 13.5 followers on TikTok. I'm an influencer.
Alright.
I'm a person teach both the young and the old. And be at the age of 22, I am very down to earth.
Alright then.
I don't really care about your opinion or anybody's opinion.
Yeah.
Growing up in children's homes, it learn and teach me how to speak my own mind. You understand?
Alright then.
So that's where my background come from.
Alright.
So
Alright.
that's why I don't date boys. I date man.
Alright, true.
Yeah.
Alright, had to ask that. Alright, so I have one male right here with him balloon. So your name, IG?
Yeah. Yeah. King Trendy, King __ Trendy on IG, Trendy King on TikTok with 3Y. Wallan. Big up Nico Music. Big up my barber. Angels, Dervin. Big up Shotty same way. Big up Waves Barbershop. Big up Lifestyle Bar. Big up linstead. Who me not call? Sorry, I'm kind of nervous, bro. John, yeah, sorry everybody.
Holy papi. Holy pap.
Big up Baba J in my place. Am my place, Baba? Big up Baba J.
Holy papi, I tell say you forward. So
No,
you can't forget them. Understand. Alright, understand. Alright, so you have a chance right now for asking him a question, and we're gonna see if there's a chemistry. Him having balloon must be a reason, alright? What's the question for him?
My one question I have for you. What do you see yourself in the next 15 minutes from now?
15 minutes, I see myself I play pool. Up a lifestyle bar on Market Street. I'm a pool player.
Alright, good.
So 15 minutes from now, that
That's
you
what
do.
you'll be doing.
That's what I'm there.
Alright, so the reason being I ask such a question in such a short and in such a simple way is to actually see the mindset of a human being, in which to show me if he will have a standard of saying that next 15 minutes from now you'll be home or doing something that is purpose to his life, but in which he's gonna play pool. So I don't really deal with people who go to bar, lingering and such stuff like that. So I wouldn't say 15 years or 5 years from now.
Why you not deal with people who go to bar?
Because I'm not a drinker, in which if I'm gonna try to build a foundation and have a platform, then I don't expect my money to be waste.
Okay. What's your question?
Alright. Big up all our police them. Me innocent, me never do nothing yet. Please, big up the one side the hospital, big up my son every day, big up the police them. I may have one more question. We can pop this now.
Yeah, man.
Thanks.
Oh,
Because I was already planning to do it.
oh. Alright, so basically, he must say, him no, say no, he must say no, this is when the police, or say something where him same friend, here him does the same
No,
friend.
but I was already planning to do it.
You were gonna pop his
Yeah.
balloon?
See, you take it out from my hair. So yeah.
Oh, so, alright, so the type is not a physical type you go for, you actually have for
I
him.
go for in the spirit and the outer spirit.
Alright
In which
then.
that as a person who walk and talk with God,
Yeah.
I also need that type of person. I understand that
Yeah.
inner spirit person, that person who's dominant. Because I'm a dominant person, so I need that man to have control and take control of me. So
Alright.
that's why I don't deal with boys again.
Alright. Before I tell you for what could Grace, can leave us with an advice? Cause remember, people, just leave us with a little advice.
My greatest advice is that be yourself and do not make the world try to change you. Stand for your own ground. You're
Alright.
who you are.
Alright. Wasn't that much today?
No, I'm good.
What could
Respect.
Grace? Live boss. Bro, I think it was a match because the man say, yo, bro. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Yo, we are big up this big bad party. You see, them are the sponsor for the video. AM City is a breakfast party. All white people. June the 8th, AM City. So when you don't know, you're gonna enjoy, eat and thing like that. Location didn't tell. Yo, more big up live fast. You see, because we're there and about 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock now and him there and him a clean up and yo, G, no. You not fully for that. Me you do that. Yo, watch and make sure to support the breakfast party. You see it? Everything up on the screen. You see me? Oh, for buy the cabana, everything. You see it? Got it night like all the time, chips. Alright, watch now. Remember, people. Oh, shoot. I didn't give you your hug. My bad. That one there for you, yeah? You will love it hug them. Big up for that. You see it? Watch now. Remember, I don't know if you want to go all over. You have to tell me. Because I feel like the all over people, them just, oh gosh, take a taxi. Uber na dong ya. Oh? Okay. See me I tell you. You know, watch out. We are bringing the next female. You ready? No, man. Ease the performance under, man. You ready? Yo, simple as that, man. All right, then. Wait until she reach right there, so. And me I tell you now again in front of the door, like, if she's not your type, pop your balloon. Okay, my G? All right, then. Bring her to this side. Look forward. Come to this side. Right, sir. Introduce yourself.
My name is Casey. The IG is KCRNV_Yama.
Okay. What type of work do you do, Casey?
I'm an hairdresser.
Whoa. Oh, you do your own ear and thing?
Yes.
Oh, a slay.
Yes. You choose a style, you get it as you choose.
And what's like your hobby?
My hobby,
Yeah,
I
like
do like
things where you like do.
well, I listen to music.
Yeah.
I like read story.
Mhm.
I like go out and yeah.
Go
enjoy
out like
food.
where?
Dinner, regular, casual anything. Anything.
All right. And when it comes down to like your type, what's your type though?
Well, you can chocolate, you can light skin. As long as your personality is there, you have good mindset,
Yeah.
and you respect your lady. Yeah.
Oh, you're like a respectable man.
Yes.
How much you think a man supposed to have a budget in mind when they carry you on the first date? Like, give me a figure.
Well, 50-50.
50-50?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're the help out on the first date?
Yes.
All right. All right. And what's a red flag when it comes down to like a male?
Well, my for a red flag of me, like
Yeah.
if you're not getting a response. If you don't get a response, please do not, bother feel like say, me there with no other man. Be mindful. The girl busy.
Okay, you're
Yeah.
busy.
Busy.
You're probably in on somebody ear.
Yeah.
Nobody double text you.
Nobody double text me. If you call me, just know so I gotta get a response back. Yeah.
All right. All right. So didn't get a balloon pop from no male, you know? So I'm gonna make you pop 2 male balloon right now.
2. What am I?
Eh?
In.
Just 2. All right. We're gonna find out why, and then we can move on, all right?
Okay.
Right, Jason? Your name?
Rice bag, you know.
Why you pop his balloon?
Well, I'm dressing. Me's a girl way you have to dress standard way. When you go with me, people are say, yeah, I'm respect her. See, but your dress, I did dressing for me.
Oh, same dressing.
Yeah.
So you would bring him out?
Well, I mean, we could have bring him out here. We probably have changes. Everybody have changes. Yeah.
Oh,
but,
yeah, bring him out and then expect him to change after.
Yeah.
But I hurt me and fall from as a man say, onion and tomato. As a man say, yeah, onion and tomato and them thing them plant.
It's also you.
And cucumber, girls them love. As a man say, long sitting. Yeah. Tap them.
All right. How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
Because yeah, you have your hobby, my get 9, but the outfit, a 1, definitely.
Oh, same appearance is a 1.
A 1.
And in personality is a 9.
A 9, yeah.
All right.
Also you.
Based on her appearance, what do you think about her and what she have to say?
As me I say, no. As me I look at one place, me I look still. As a man say, yeah. Can I get a 360, 360? I don't need done. I don't need done.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. I rate her how much?
Cause some moms get a 10, and I say. Yeah,
Thank you, thank
yeah,
you, thank you,
10.
thank you, thank you.
And you say 1. 1 for the outfit, 9 for the personality.
Yes.
All right then. Come down the line. Your name?
Don't know, say I want sharp boss.
Why you pop sharp bass balloon?
Him too short. Short.
Can't watch your sharpness more.
You can't manage me too
Watch
short.
between us.
Between us, suppose me go there and it's short too.
You're mad. Anyway, me not have the entire width.
I see, I see. But yeah, because you're short, in my opinion, you're short. Yeah.
All right. How much should I rate it from 1 to 10?
Well, you neat.
Good.
Neat. Yeah, we can go on. But I give him a 1.6. You could have do your ear and come out. At least you me do ear so you can come on me.
6 out of 10?
6 out of 10.
Based on her appearance, how much should I rate her?
Like, you challenge them, you know. You beat them, and you look, really. Yeah, like, here, they equalize see it.
Echo?
Yeah. You know them way there. I give you my 8 still.
8 out of 10?
Yeah, man.
Okay. All right. Come down to the side. All right. So, the man them out a balloon. Walk with grace for me now, please. Come down to the side. All right. So, that was based on appearance, right? What me I gonna do? You go down the line and you gotta ask them a question for get to know them, all right?
Okay.
All right then. Start with that, Jesse. Your name?
King Trendy. King __ trendy pan IG. Trendy King pan the TikTok with 3Y.
All right. What's his question?
What you do for a living?
So I'm an electrician currently.
All right.
Yeah.
That's it?
Kids?
No kids, soon. Hopefully.
And you say you're single.
Very,
Sure.
very,
Because me's a girl, you know. I'm gonna
very.
search for one. I'm not gonna ask. I'm not gonna set you up. I'm
You
gonna
don't have
find
to
one
search me
myself.
for me, show you.
All right, all right.
Alright. Right, so. Your name?
Turnbull.
Who?
Turnbull.
What's his question?
Same question. What you do for a living?
Phone store manager.
Okay. Single?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Sure.
What you looking for in a lady?
No lady.
Yes.
I like woman that have their head on their body, they have ambition,
Mm-hmm.
match my type, and
Nice.
not really loose a road, you know? Like them innocent type of lady there.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Your name?
Michael Harris.
What's his question?
What you do for a living?
I raise animal and him thing the cow and goat and him thing the dog
Yeah.
and him. I raise goat, cow and dog and him thing the pit bull and him something the German shepherd and him thing the.
Okay. So what you looking for in a lady?
I like her with nice personality and him thing the.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it?
Okay. Nice.
Your name?
Sauce Boss. On Instagram, English _ Sauce Boss 6.
His question?
Alright, so again, Mega always asking her, what you do for a living?
Well, I'm a barber. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm a barber.
Alright. Kids?
No,
No kids?
no, not yet.
Not yet.
Nah.
Alright. What are you looking for in a lady?
Independent, ambitious, not just face brains, you know.
Okay.
Alright. Your name?
Banks _ Trim.
What's his question?
What you do for a living?
Mechanic.
Okay. What's your budget? Like if you carried a girl on a first date, what's your budget? Like what your budget will you expect from the girl on a first date?
Probably about 50,000.
So what you expect from a girl? If you bring her over, what you expect from her?
We just go eat, drink, have fun, and talk.
Alright.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Your name?
You know, see, I want critical. Share my pan Instagram.
Alright, your question. What you do for a living?
You know, some of the forex trading and also own a local small business, clothing business. Just a come up, but soon reach somewhere, you know.
Okay. Do you have kids?
No,
What you expect from your girl if I could bring her out on your first date? Or weird alike to go on your first date?
you know, some like beach though. I kind of like the water, so I like go up on the beach side and chill out. Have a look picnic right on the beach side, on the sun. You know, spread a towel, have a couple snacks and thing, you know, drink some liquor.
Alright.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Come down to this side. Right, so. Alright, so you guys for know them. So we're gonna pop 2 balloons, right?
Alright.
Pop 2 balloons. Alright, one more.
Jaja.
It get hard.
You want me?
Alright. Alright, we're not gonna whatever I just still come to this side. Alright, before my ask, like why you kept your balloon though?
Yeah, it's a nice female, you know. Big up
Thank
thick
you.
as them, same way. Yeah. That's the reason I keep balloon. She have a nice personality. She have like a shyness, but good. Woman fi have little of that. You can't do. Know what I mean? Yes, sir. So I keep my balloon. I just want to hear her out because it's a woman where a man could have settled with if I'm a pre-settle down still.
Yes.
Alright. No bun on them something there. Not even pan what them call it? April? Another month there,
Easter.
Easter.
She not gain a bun. All na Easter. Believe.
Alright. Why you pop his balloon?
Well, when did like your outfit, just look humble, Zane, but I know I forgot to ask you something.
Can ask.
Yeah. So, your age.
Yeah, we are 30, but you're not sure. Salad and them thing that we love them. Yeah.
Greens.
Grains. Believe. Help people. Too much rum no good, yeah?
Alright, so you're popping balloon because what?
Yeah, me never, him did look weird, because I ain't age. Never
Oh.
remember for asking age.
Oh, him look older. That's why you pop your
That's
balloon.
some pop balloon.
Alright, so how much you da rate him from 1 to 10?
I give my 7. Him come out. It's a
Right.
7.
Based on our appearance, how much you da rate her?
Well, I give her 9, but here I not give her 9 because I picture in this dress. Yeah, I'm going half a chair, I see one dress hang up on one place and I say, yeah, that girl that look good in that dress there, you know. So
You just got half a chair and look pan dress?
no, I pass through half a tree and I see this dress and she just make me remember the dress.
Oh.
So you like the dress?
Her. Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
So I guess me not get to buy her that dress. So I give her a 6.5, still good though.
Alright.
Alright. This side. Alright, so before I ask, why you kept the balloon?
Cause me rate her, you know, girl, like she have ambition and she have a nice personality. Me like your smile.
Thank you.
Alright. Why you pop his balloon?
Jaja, I didn't want to say it, but the height. But you're alright. Cute and all. Yeah. You're neat. This is about confident with your dressing. But yeah, you're alright.
Right. And how much you da rate him from 1 to 10?
Yeah, I'm get the 9. 9 out of 10.
9.
Yeah. 9 out of 10.
My G, rate him both. How much you da rate her though?
Well, I'm gonna give her 9 to
Exactly.
yeah, one sexy walk to so.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're not too your weight not too easy. You have a sexy walk.
Alright. Alright. This side. Alright, the man named out a balloon. Walk with Grace Mona, please. Alright, so have some meal with them balloon. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna make them ask you a question and we're gonna find out if they want
Okay.
or feel the chemistry. If them want you based on the answer, yeah?
Okay.
Alright. Right, Jesse. What's her question?
No, so I like her tip shake and everything. My father, she look nice and everything. That carry out right now or tonight. Yeah, man.
So our question?
How you doing life, babes?
Pardon?
How you doing life?
I'm an hairdresser.
Yeah,
I go to nursing school. Yeah, I'm a draw. I do animating. Yeah, I draw for other company. I do hair. And I go nursing school.
Okay, she nice, my boss. I like her, man. I come and tell her something that carry out right now, my father.
Alright.
Yeah, man. She look nice, man.
This side. Alright, my G. What's her question? What you get for Noah?
Why she look good, you know? Which part we are go after this?
Me no know, up to you.
If we are going, she look good, man. Like her, you know?
What kind of question you have here?
Which one we are going next? Yeah.
Oh, that.
Which one we are going next? Yeah.
Well, it all up to you. Man, the type of girl way always go with some inner tools.
Okay.
Familiar with the place. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's up to you.
Well, we talk after this.
Okay.
My G. What's her question?
More know if she single or taking.
Well, yeah. Yes.
Just that type of stuff.
Alright. My G. What's her question?
I'm just want to ask your age. What age?
19.
Alright, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
This time? Alright, the man them. Wanna know if every man I gonna keep them balloon? Or I gonna keep on the balloon still?
Me know what cause that.
Alright, let's go. Alright, my G. Why you kept your balloon all along though?
Cause she look nice, my type, thick and thing and cute and something. But
Why you pop your balloon?
my dog want her, bro. Believe my dog want her, so me make sure he go on with that man. Like he want it more than me.
Oh, so you lie to your friend?
No, my dog want you, man.
Alright.
So you're willing for just take yourself out?
Yeah, man, I give you dog, man. I'm feeling like I should have want me still, but me I give you dog, man.
Alright, how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her a 9 still, believe. Because she look good. Me nah like. She look active, man. I say
Even though
my
I'm not
type.
dress for you.
You look good,
Alright,
man.
alright.
Alright. What do you think about him?
Yeah, I mean, did you rate him, eh?
Did?
No, rate him. Appearance, ambition, everything. But you say, your friend, yes.
So me and your type?
Yes.
Let me give him a chance.
But you say kind of your friend, so it is what it is, you know?
How much should I rate him?
You can get the 10. 10.
Alright.
Come out.
Thanks.
Alright. Come to this side. Alright, come to this side. Yes, sir. Alright, my G. See you just part of balloon. Want to find out why you kept it though.
You like her now, but you. It's like I might get the show. Yeah, man, so.
So why you think that you might get the show?
Actually, boss, do not talk to him and they say, like, I might get her.
So suppose
Yeah,
me
but-
tell you say because he's a OC you would the try. Me like guys are trying.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, me like the one way sit down and depend on woman for
Mama, me I tell you what time get up in bed at my time, 4:30. You can't make out with them.
my time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
And how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Yeah, fully 10 bossy. You say she look good and broad and man, that tell you look good and better than night.
Thank you.
Alright. Based on him appearance, how much did I rate him?
Him come out. Me I give him back a 10. You get a 10. Everything. Ambition, the dressing, get a 10.
Thanks, babes.
Yeah.
Alright.
A
Alright.
10.
So the man them without a balloon, or I could grace from please. Alright, so it's up to you right now. You're gonna go ahead and ask each of them a question for narrow it down. Because me want to ask my final question, alright? Yeah?
Alright.
Yeah? Come to this side. What's this question?
That I'm never planned with a question, no skills, but what's the type in a female?
That's my type.
Yeah.
Shape
Hey,
nice, like it.
wait. Now, because you see me, so I got tell me say because of the shape. Me not like when because of the shape, I gotta look for the shape. If I like the personality, fine. But no watch the shape, please. Alright.
Well, like her personality, me like her mindset. And she a hairdresser. And boy, think it in a match. Think it a
Alright.
good. Yeah.
Yeah?
Alright.
Yeah? Him now? Remember, is getting to know them more and make sure it narrow down, yeah? So you can ask as many questions.
Jaja. Yeah, what's your personality in a girl? What you like in a girl?
Yeah, she talk positive. So me like her, my spirit match with her spirit. Like she's a go-getter.
So you now answer a question.
What's your personality? What you like in a girl? What you don't want your female to be?
You done say you got nursing school and he's a hairdresser. So you have 2 skills.
I have more
And-
now. I have more. But me not tell them all the time. You see me? I have to get for them, I forget the rest of them. Yeah.
Yeah? Him answer your question?
Well, one more question. Well, me I look for next question to ask you. But yeah, do you have your own house?
No.
Alright. Drive?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright? Alright, so when you pop one balloon, I know you lean towards more. But I don't know if you ask every question so you can even make the chances better. But
Yeah,
you
never-
have to, that's why you have to ask the important question them first.
Jaja.
Yeah, so pop one balloon.
One?
Yep. Wow. All right, let's go. All right, my G. First, you have to tell me why you kept your balloon.
Cause me did like her and feel say it would be a match.
All right, just because of that. And how you feel like your friend step out and make you have the chance to see if she would be a match. What you say about that?
Yeah, me feel good, man. Feel a dog loyalty.
All right, how much should I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Me da give her 10 still, bro.
Thank you, thank you.
How you feel say she pop your balloon?
Just so you go, you know. Yeah.
Did you expect it?
No.
No.
All right. Why you pop film balloon?
Well, Miss tell you, as me tell you next time before, don't watch the body. Miss say I watch the cause of the body. I say you like me now. Me no want that. Cause you can see other tickers out there. Me know more girl out there thicker me. You got my beer? Whoa. So, as me said, cause the 2 year watch the body. The body.
Oh, so you're saying like a man will like a physical attire too
Well,
much?
me not have no problem with that, you know. But other girls out there, but me know say it might see one. So, yeah.
Oh,
After the
so you feel, that would be like a turn off when a man
Yeah.
fantasize about your body more?
No, I don't turn off. But as me say, other girls out there, me no know. But trust him, but we can still go out there and find other girl way shape like me or better than me. So yeah.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
1-7. 1-7.
All right, all right. Come to this side. My G, walk your girls for me now, please. All right, so we're down to 1, right?
Yeah.
More on do a 1 minute question. Like more see if there's a chemistry, okay? Come to this side for me now. So you are gonna ask her a question, she gonna ask you a question, and me will stop it, yeah? Go ahead.
Yeah. So you like to go on date. Whether
I'm gonna get some volume.
Nah, yeah.
whether make me go on date.
Where?
Yeah.
It all depends. Can go out for a little picnic, a little dinner, movies, anyway. Can stay at home too, you know.
Could I stay home,
Yeah.
watch movie and cook and then something there?
Yeah, cause me
Get
a
to know
girl
each
cook.
other.
Yeah.
You don't have to cook too.
Yeah. So
You
we
coulda
cook together.
Yeah, you could have
Yeah.
cooked too. Could have cook.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Any question for him?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you ask me to come out one time, right?
Yeah.
And me say no, what would be your question you'd ask?
When I be my question,
Yeah.
must be a reason why I can't come. So, and I prepare myself for next time, though.
All right.
Yeah, it must be a reason why you can't come.
Right.
Yeah.
All right, no more question?
No more question.
Any more question? No? All right, so we're gonna finally ask. More no, come to this side, mama. More find out. Is it how much for you, Maji?
Yeah.
Is how much for you?
Yeah.
Or is how much?
Yeah.
More find out now. Is it how much for you?
Well, my type of guy, but as me say, never company to find love. I come for entertain and promote my page. Yeah, I hope you find your girl, but it's not a match. I am not single.
So basically, yeah, say you just come for see what can go on, for like see who they here for our potential.
I mean, yeah.
But is he your type though?
Yeah. Type of guy.
So if you see him outside, you feel like you'd give me a number?
If you never single, yeah.
Say you're not single?
I just said I'm not single.
But the man not just asked if you're single.
I said no.
Yes.
Yeah,
You never say, you should say yeah.
Yeah.
Eh? Yes or no?
Yeah, that should you say.
Me say yes?
When you ask you.
No, I said no.
Oh.
But I first
Lie, boss.
I said no.
Still no?
Yeah.
I did.
She changed her mind. She not single again.
No. Yeah, he asked if I'm single or taken. I say I'm taken. Yeah.
Alright, so it's not how much today. So how much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
She get 9. She never planned for. No, she did plan for. She get a full 10.
Yeah.
She look good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like her mindset too.
Alright. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Yeah. The 8. 8.
Yet?
Yeah.
Alright, so was it that much to them, G? Walk with grace from now, please. Lady, you have stressed me out. Tell me, I tell you. I tell you no, come
Oh.
why you there here? Please, me
I
I tell her. Walk with grace from now, please. People, come on. I'm trying. On the comments just are drag me so. I need clothes, okay? On the drag me so. I'm trying my best, okay? So the best looking female, when I get a prize, please remember them name. So when I pin the comments, I want to say you are them. And the man name are them, yeah? Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. I watch you now before we met the next female walk out. I just feel like to give somebody a hug. I feel it like you need it. I know I'm coming. That is it, is it? Thanks. You know what I'm pray for you? Yeah. Yeah, I'm a G. I did, for real, Is it? Watch you now. The man them, I'm gonna get some real now. Yeah! Cool. When the female reach, right? So introduce herself. And if she's not that type, you pop your balloon. Is it? Just wait until she reach out. So, okay? Yeah? Alright then. And remember, people, una go vote who are the best dressed male. Is it? Remember them name and just vote, yeah? Una win a prize. Bring in the next female for me now. Look forward, look straight. Right there. Introduce yourself. Hi.
Hi, my name is Misha. I work at a loan company, as you can see. Loans marked financing. You can come get a loan.
Mike.
Yada. It's cheap.
Alright.
Plus, I do my local lash. I'm a local hair business under the style.
Alright.
But you're not too out there. So, me I try.
Alright. And what's your type though?
Huh?
What's your type? What type of male do
Well,
you like?
I don't really have a type. However, I like a man who treats me well.
Mm-hmm.
I like a man who respects me.
Yeah.
I like a man who's, I like them dominant.
Alright.
Even though I'm dominant, but I like them dominant. I like them bad me up sometime. But if you bad me up, I take a look bad up, but me a look soft,
Alright. Cool.
Yeah.
What's a red flag though?
Alright, a red flag is a narcissistic.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not nobody too narcissistic. I'm not nobody too bally, right? And I got ball to me when me left you, and then I'm gonna take you back. You're gonna want to treat me however you want to treat me. That's a no for me.
Okay.
I respect my man, and my man should respect me.
So anytime you left them, you know want them ball.
No, sir.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Okay. But why you left them though?
No, them have to do this something disgusting. It's on me. I try, is a yamed.
Okay.
However,
Yeah.
I know all for yam.
Okay.
I have to know all for yam as a woman.
Alright. Alright, I know bad. Alright. Shout out the social.
Well, my social is _M_E_I_S_H_A_. Can find me on Instagram. You can find me on TikTok. However, you see to me, the local business girl is. I like the local lash.
Yeah.
I like dolly up the local ladies them.
Yes.
So summertime, I know so you can link me.
Yes.
If you can't find me on social, no spot can find me. I'm
Yeah.
a local. I know for my business, but
Yeah.
I work for the people. I'm gonna do my local business on the side.
Alright, cool. Alright, so we got we got just one pop, so we're gonna find out why I'm pop the ballon. Alright? Ready?
Not a problem.
Alright, let's go. Right here. Come right here, sir. Alright, my G. Your name and why you pop your balloon?
Michael, you know. Like how she talk and them thing there, I like her ways and them thing there, I like her work hard for them one when they want, I like her style, man. She look nice.
Why you pop your balloon?
She look nice, me I tell my father that me also she look good, man.
I look too good. That's why you pop a balloon.
Yeah, you look nice, because
Oh dear, like sir, me not break heart like that. You have to give me a reason for me break your heart. You have to give me a reason for me break your heart. Me not break heart like that.
No, me I say you look nice. Me not
Thank
say
you.
you break my heart, but you look nice.
Thank you.
You see me? I'm like a look tongue piercing and beating, you're going to
Thank you.
But why you pop your balloon?
Like her look style boss and I said that I like what time she look good on her man. Yeah.
But
And I can go out and them thing as my father. Yeah. Go drink to go.
Yeah.
And go man go. You know I think come down. Yeah, my father.
Alright. How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Like you are youth.
Youth out of 10?
A long time I see her and I may have a prayer as well. Near road. I tell you how long me a prayer from shopper and bike boy and bike security boy.
Did you say?
Yeah, man, for them telling me I pray my father. Every time I see my code on mountain, she ride past me out of the morning time. The boy.
Oh, like she dip on the back.
Back here now, well, I'm him too so tight and so anything is a grief me out. Tell my bro, I'm like, you see me?
Alright. Alright, Maji. Alright, yeah, good? Good? Hey, remember Mike. You good? Come now.
Boss man, how you getting in the room?
Again, no. Come.
Me never, alright. Honestly, me never expect you to remember me pan a bike back.
Okay. You're
So-
shocked.
Yeah, at that. But when I give him a 10, him not see him nowhere.
Mm-hmm.
I not problem with that. Look, I not problem with Linstead man overall. It's just that I have to entertain myself with Linstead males like that.
Alright.
You can't too come and out as a female.
Me not come from Linstead.
You don't come from Linstead?
Just come up here, come from jungle.
Jungle?
Yeah.
Well, still.
Alright.
Nothing wrong. But I give him a 10. Nothing wrong with how him look. He's a nice gentleman. Nothing against him. Think me see him I talk to you one time. I'm not sure.
That 10 times work at one Chinese store.
Yeah.
Gadget.
Me deal with people them nice. One thing with me deal with people them nice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Me know from America, Chinese place, man. Big up father jet on the badness, man.
Alright. Alright. Come to this side. Like, come on, man. Myself, you live here. Alright, so the man without a balloon or could grace from please. Alright, so right about now, you have a choice to pop 3 male balloon based on appearance, alright? Go ahead. Ready? Come on. Oh, you good? What?
Alright, so why am I pop theme balloon?
Alright, hold on. Let's go. Come over to
Why am I
this
pop
side.
theme balloon,
No,
right?
hold on. We have to find out his name. Your name is?
You know, it's a rice bag, you know.
Alright.
No, no, wrong name.
Why
Alright,
you-
why am
why
I
you
pop a
popping
balloon?
balloon?
The Mickey Mouse in a bad.
Yeah.
Over to a scandal bag type of Mickey Mouse. Right?
A fashion one, yeah.
And the pants. You're just like my big brother, me not like that.
Just like a big brother?
Yeah, me not like that.
Your
In
big
just
brother
homeless
just like this?
sometime. In just homeless. May I be honest? Me looking at the camera. Hi, mommy. In just like my brother. My big brother. Me not like him.
And your brother
I
just...
love my brother. I
Yeah.
love him too. I love him. But in this kind of remind me of my brother. Don't take it offensive. Me not this people for spite.
Yeah,
You
good, man.
you look nice. Your face look nice. You look like you can go on with yourself. However, you're just like my big brother. I'm not like nobody really remind me of my big brother. So
Okay.
that's my problem.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
But I give him about 1.8. In face, nice. Me can come in here if you can, as I said, can do here. Man and woman.
You can do it right now. I'll pull
I
you
have
out.
no problem.
But
But you just dress like my brother. That time a problem. You just and I kind of have a look a slight resemblance.
Oh, you look like your brother too?
Kinda. You have a look a kind of complexion.
Okay. Okay, I understand.
I'm
Alright.
live with him.
Oh, you live with your brother too? Okay. Alright, my G. What you
Don't
think?
take it personal.
Alright, what you think
He's a
about
nice
her
man.
based on her appearance though?
And look at
Mom's nice, still you see it.
Thank you.
Yeah, I love it. Mom's slim, have a look at Barbie shape and see. No, Barbie Maga, sorry. Yeah, you know me I say, yeah, she have a look sitting around the back, spot, you see it, yeah, when she tell, so master see there? No man like that. Yeah. As me I say, me want buy her alone still enough to kick up, buy some more seeds, for buy some more seeds for plant.
Flower across from Astra Fashion. I do ear. Me is the cashier. As you
Alright.
come in, you probably not see me first, but I'm the one.
Yeah. We need the cash.
No
But you know, me
problem.
not have the ID, me not have the TR in,
Oh,
and me not have the next one name.
I just
It I
ID and
download me.
tearing I need. NIS at least, but the ID and tearing I need.
Me not have none of them there.
Try to find so even if I want to look up paper, you can come. We accept a look up paper. Nothing wrong with the look up paper, yeah?
Alright. Yeah.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Should I get a 9.5, man?
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Come down to this side. Your name?
Yeah. Trendy King.
Alright.
Trendy King on the TikTok, believe.
Why you pop him balloon?
Pop him balloon, right? Nothing wrong with how him look. However, you see to my dog, don't take it personal. It's just a preference for me. I don't like nobody that's darker than me. I don't feel no way that you pop your balloon, darling. I just don't like him nice, but me just not like nobody darker than me like man them bro. Listen to my black. I want a lighter man. You know? Spice up like song, you know.
Spice. Okay. Alright. Alright. How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
I give him about 8.5. The 1.5, I try darkness. Me not like nobody darker than. Like me and your same complexion, a little darker. Trust me. Nothing wrong, but me just not like nobody darker than me.
Understand. Based on her appearance, how much should I rate her?
Yeah. Man, go break the character, but me and say, you for ask me why me never pop. The reason me never pop, me forgot to big up my dog, Gingy. Gingy, big up yourself.
Nothing wrong,
Sorry,
me have 3
sorry,
dog.
dog. I forgot to big up in that thing. And she look like a girl that chased my mother, so me did plan to pop. Me just big up Gingy and the crossroad dog then. Yeah, but
Gingy's a dog.
I'm a dog, day one.
Like
Nico,
4-foot
day one.
animal or human?
DAWG, baby, not DOG.
Okay. How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Yeah, man, she get a 8 pan. 8 pan. I love all dark skin. I love the black skin. I love white, but dark is more preferable to me. So I see him 8.5, man. No 8. Appreciate you, yeah.
Yeah.
No problem, love.
Alright. Come on to this side. Your name, G?
I know, say a sharp boss.
Alright. No, Sharp, no.
Alright. Number 1. Don't take it offensive.
Why you pop film balloon?
You're nearly shorter than my nephew. The little baby boy was coming.
Yeah, what? I'm gonna watch you shot this one.
Huh?
Alright. You see, because you're short, I don't like nobody that's short. You see me if you look down on you.
Yeah.
Don't take it offensive. Don't take it offensive, but me have to look down. But me don't like nobody, me have to look.
There, so.
No love.
Oh.
You're probably, you know, pipe up, but however, you're too short.
Oh, yeah, so
I
them
like
tear
my tall
sheet.
man them.
Yeah.
Even though short axe cut down long tree, I like my tall man them. Tall man them not feel me. Them not feel me. Don't take it offensive. He's a nice man. You just short, you nearly short like my nephew. At that time, a problem. You nearly short like my little not even 2 year, 1.5 year old nephew. The little baby will come in here. You nearly shot like him. At that time, a problem. Don't take it offensive, but you just shot. I just that.
Alright. And how much should I rate him, I say?
But I give him probably one. Probably 8.5, 8.75. I like a bow leg business. No problem there, you know. Like a little bow leg man, them. But sorry, you know, for judge up your crutches like that. However,
Big
you
boy
just you just look too young. You're old. Don't take it offensive. You're old, but you're just too shy. Sir, look at me. Look at me standing side and side. No, baby, me can't do that. Me can't do that to myself. Me can't introduce it to mother, because mother would have laugh. Me be honest, mother would have laugh. So, I just do a shot.
What you say?
Sir, I have on draws. I always have on draws. No matter how it feel like no draws, no the draws are always there.
Sharp boy say, go around this over.
No, true, man.
You hold on for me, you hold on for me look. If you know, and you hold on for me, if not look, you not feel nothing. Probably you not feel nothing, but you don't know if nothing there or not.
Alright. How much should I rate her, Sharp boss?
Me? I give my 8.
8.
I look like him body in a bed.
No worry about that.
Yeah.
I like
I
my
look
tall
tongue
man
ring
them,
there.
so.
Catch me,
No make you catch your eye, no make you fool. You can't not do nothing.
You see that, Chabas?
You not do nothing. No make you fool, me not do nothing.
Alright. Now go down to this side.
Ooh.
Right, this one.
Me can't stand up here, sir.
No.
Me can't stand up beside him. Me can't.
But me I gotta ask you a question though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, come to this
No,
side.
me can't stand up here, sir. Answer.
Yeah, after the right, yes,
Me
sir.
can't show my face like this, you see?
Right, you say after that. Come.
Jesus.
Alright. Your name, IG?
I say I want critical trim on the gram everywhere.
Can you take off your glasses for me, please? You look like you smoke weed.
No, sir.
You drink?
Yeah, me drink.
Alright, no wrong.
Why you pop your balloon?
Cause she says she don't like dark man, so I just pop it, you know. No, me not tree brown, you know.
But I make an exception for you if me never taken, honestly.
Mm-hmm.
I would make an exception. Babes, don't feel no way. You know you alone. However, me not feel no way. However, you're dark, you're tall. Like, damn, like, babes, look at this. Chin, look at, you see the... I'm turn up face to move your mic the liquor. Oh. My type of eye. I like my time in them.
Yeah, use the mic.
Alright, first and foremost, I am not short like other females. People have kind of have it to say I am taller than average female, right?
Mm-hmm.
I like myself with I don't have a problem with short making. But Taman nice. Him nice. Honestly, him nice. Him look like he can put himself together.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10, Maji?
I give her 8.5 still. I like her. You know, just because she says she don't like black man.
Yeah.
As somebody else pop a ball, you know.
What do you think about him? How much did I rate
Nothing
him?
wrong with him. Honestly, I give him a 9.5. Alright. The height, ooh.
Like you have to go lift your man and come to me.
No,
then,
I left my man do. One thing me not left my man. That.
Come to the side. Why Linstead people stay so?
I'm if you tell you.
Like you me attack. Why would you come here, me focus. Get a pop right here. Your name, my G, why you pop your balloon?
Bang stream. She said she not like man blacker than her. Some poppy balloon.
Alright. And how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her 1 8 still.
8 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Based on film appearance, how much did I rate him?
I give him probably 8. Why? Men in the same height. Babes, you know for dress. Me not disrespect you. Yeah, my man alone. But you can dress. You're dark. You look like you have like a good turn around. You have like a cooliness. Jesus. You have like a cooliness now, yo.
Alright.
You look like a cooliness. You look like you go on with yourself.
Alright.
However, it's just the fact that I don't really like the body, you know?
Yeah.
I have a problem. If me and see him, I trust me. I can still jump on you.
Okay.
Can still jump on you. However, just...
The height.
Yeah, height, and then the fact that me kind of, you know, want to look...
That me gonna talk about. Come. Alright. Come.
But me not feel no way about it. I'm happy.
Come to this side. Alright, the man them without a balloon. Walk with grace for me, please. Crank up. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Alright, so I have 2 males right now with a balloon. Yes, yeah. I not even know if I forgot forward because you say I have somebody. So even if we can get a match, is it that you come here and I wonder if you ever change your babes?
Nah, well, not really, but however...
You're so indecisive.
No, it's not indecisive, right?
Yeah.
When I made my agreement, I have no problem to come to show my face. And I didn't afraid to show my face because I want me to hide me a big old man.
Alright, so him can't tell her this. Whatever, stop, whatever.
I can't tell, but at the end of the day, respect is respect for your relationship.
Okay. But me I say, like how you have somebody and you stated, I don't feel like it's good for them. You see me I say, who want somebody and you have somebody already. So me I gonna make you walk with grace, okay?
Nope.
Eh? What?
But you know, me short, you see, I'm small, me easy to fit in a picture, you see it, so.
Alright, you see with you
Yeah.
now. You see with you.
Alright,
Not
hold
to
on,
be
hold on, hold on, hold on. Alright, so yeah, so when me I do, yeah, you know be,
Mama
yeah.
talk.
Alright, make we talk. Alright,
Yeah.
I'm carry on. Alright, cool.
Man, I
Alright.
pop my balloon. However, you know me from church. You know me.
Me?
You used to go Bread of Life.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, and then you know my friend Jay. My little son Jay. He used to go Dintil. He
Too
used
much
to go
somebody
Charlie
names, so. Too much
Mount.
somebody names, so.
Well, one Jay I have in my phone and I can show you a picture of that you.
Me no want to see it. Me no want to
It's
see it.
one of friend and companion.
me no
When you look
matter.
like on the same age group, nothing wrong with you. From me know you from a little bit, and a little bit, and we go church is a nice human being. Me not go get, me not go say you're bad. Me know you're nice. He's a nice man.
Alright.
You're probably a little younger than me. And you see if me never look, well, me not go say that. But you dress first and foremost. Look at that. You're short, but you know if you dress. Look on the shoes and the pants and the shirt and the ear probably with a plait it for you, no problem. You look nice.
Alright, so come to this side. You have a chance for ask her a question for get for know her, because you say you're willing for 15 and what she have, right? What's the question for her?
Alright, so. I really want to talk this one in it still, but suppose you're a man for sleep, you see? You do, you know, just one small piece of a puzzle missing. You don't feel like me can hold in a puzzle.
Well, however, my can't say probably cause so far I'm not sleep. I not say we toe-to-toe because I like my man them toe-to-toe with me. As me say I love my man and give me a tough chat, I take it and I feel nice.
Yeah, them style me like.
I like a man with dominant.
Yeah.
Mommy, if you see this, I am sorry for how you see me. Mommy, I love you. However,
So,
I like my
question.
man then dominant.
Answer
Him question no wrong. However,
What your answer?
I just chew me in a look real. And then me nah go. You see, chew me I get the good princess treatment. Like when you see the little weird put on if I turn two sideways at the camera. When you say you say batty.
That a princess treatment, but me willing to give a queen treatment. Yeah,
Alright. I'm gonna go down the side. Alright, so what's her question, Maji?
What's your question?
My question?
No, you are gonna get for ask her a question.
Oh. If you have a man, me could have go on link with you, say could have go on.
Well, my would say link. I like.
Get to know each
I
other.
like alright, you see with
If
me?
they have a man, you would get to know me.
No problem. However, you see with me, I don't like woman company. You see, the only woman company I have, them have to love man company. As you can see, I like my woman them rough and manly. Right? So with me, I know for reason with man good. In my relationship, I not say my reason because I know for reason you're like a man. I probably look, don't make the face full. As I say, don't make the face full. I know for reason like man, I know for talk like man. He's a nice humble being, as I can say. I'm standing beside you know. You look taller than me, you see it there, clap that till you look taller. However, I don't really like slim man. I mean, I like big man. Nothing wrong with how you look. Me, I can paras, charge you.
Oh, so you answer him question, you and him can par.
Me, I can paras, charge me. I can go to bad party. Bus tool, you know?
Yeah, come here, keep a party. You know? Yeah, big up my party. White collar crime, you know? August 15. Yeah.
See there?
Alright.
Even better for me summer out and about half of my head top of my eyelash.
Alright. Come to this side here. Alright, so
Dear Lord.
basically the man they must stay. Them say you have somebody, but they must stay because them feel like them can fit in at the puzzle, right? Your choice right now for pop one balloon.
Can I ask the question first?
You want
two of them?
You want to ask a question?
Yes, we need to ask the
for
question.
see if him can fit in.
We need to ask the question.
Cool.
How old are you? And I do not like people lying about their ages.
20.
20?
Yeah.
You?
21.
20. Oh dear.
Alright, come. Use the mic here.
When you're 21.
Use the mic, man.
When you're 21.
Next year.
When you're 21. When you're 22.
Next year, I'm 22.
I say that no. My big man phone. No.
Alright, pop one balloon.
Well, me not gonna say me not like little boy cause little boy have sense. Some little boy have sense. So far, it wanna seem like we not have no sense and not have no thing.
So more you pop one balloon.
Jesus.
One.
I rate him, you know, because me and him used to go church. I rate this, and then in my little son, I charge you like this. I rate this little boy.
Oh, so I'm good with kids.
I rate this, not and a kids. My little son probably 1 year older than me. Or
Yeah,
something.
yeah, how much?
And a son, so me 22.
22.
But somebody who me help grow in high school,
Oh.
respect me.
Okay, you just
my
add.
name chat. Mommy tell you say a good youth this.
Alright, so one balloon, one balloon. One.
Jesus.
Come now, one.
I rate him, and he's a nice youth. Me don't know.
One balloon, one.
All right. I will see you at your party. Don't feel offended, most at your party. You see me dash out and go on with myself.
Alright then. Alright, my G, why you kept your balloon all along? Come here.
You want to take her from her man? That me want to catch look nice. Yeah.
Yeah, how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
She get a 10, man.
10 out of 10?
Yeah, I'm like her personality. She full of vibe.
Alright.
Yeah.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Honestly, I would give him a 10 out of 10.
Alright.
As me say, I like man respectful. I love a man who's respectful.
Alright.
Not because I have my boyfriend, him no disrespect me,
Yeah.
him no screw no face, him understand. Him probably think him have a chance at end of the babes, they say if life is different and they look younger.
You're 22 and him at 21, you know?
Yeah, if you say next year I'm 22.
Okay.
Next year I'm 23.
Alright, so it wasn't that much today? Well, could grace for my G.
Oh, God.
Alright, so me gonna just go straight to it. Is it a match for you, Maji?
Me she have herself.
No, you know say she have her man, you know. Me ask you, you know she have her man. Is it a match for you?
Yeah, me rate her vibes.
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
You know she have her man, you know.
I me not care.
First time I'm no man kill. Babes,
Alright, hold on,
don't
hold
murder
on.
me. Don't murder me. Me depend him, but just do what me have to do.
Alright.
No murder me. Me
Alright.
love you. No murder me.
Alright, ready? Ready? Is it a match for you?
I rate him. Honestly, I rate him on all different levels. Why? I know him from him young. He's a humble person.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And my son is a humble person. And I love that my son is very comfortable around him.
Alright then.
I see him as a son figure.
Yeah.
I don't see him as a son figure. But I see him as somebody you know me can par with me, can rate. I rate him from long. He probably not know some I rate him from long. I rate him from before I go detail. So
Alright.
it says a lot.
Someone asked her the big question. Is it a match for
I
you?
don't think so.
Is it a match for you?
No.
Is it not a match? Popping balloon.
You're willing to give me? You don't want to pop it yourself? You want me to feel?
No, Poppy.
Alright, so it wasn't a match to the Maji?
Me can swing my hand around him shoulder and walk about my business and walk with Gracie toe with door.
No. Wasn't a match today? Walk with grace for my friend. No, linstead people, me are stressed out right now.
No, some
Watch
people
ya
are
now.
crass,
Alright.
some people are good, man.
Good people. Alright, watch you now. Wasn't a match today? Wasn't a match today?
Darling.
Walk with grace for me now. Linstead. Life boss. You know, look how much time I ask a question. You single? Yes. You're single? Yes. You need a man? Yes. You need a man? Yes. Linstead. Alright, watch you now. Me need a hug. Me need more than a hug right now. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Yo, watch you make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. We're there, I'm gonna need 300,000 subscribers. Everybody subscribe right now. Just subscribe. Click the subscribe button. But no, you're not subscribed. You just go up on YouTube and just search and say, wonderful drop a video. Jesus Christ. You don't subscribe to get the notification. My vex. Me need that hug now. You work me up. I feel worked up. You know? Yeah. My blood pressure up. Give me a line for me now. You're going to give me a hug, you know. I'm going to squeeze you. You try. You're good. You're good. All right then. Yo, Maji, me I say the next female. Is it? Yeah. No man, uno not ready man. Me I say the next female. Yeah. No me hear the man them say. That me a talk, but you know, yeah. All right, cool. All right, we wait until she reach right so yeah. Bring her to the side, now. What? Look forward. To the side there. Right, come over here, son. Introduce yourself.
Good night, y'all. I'm Casey and Campbell. On Instagram, you can find me at Casey the Nurse Girl. Casey with 2 I and _.
What type of job do you do?
I'm a last take upcoming pediatrician.
Oh, that's good. What do you do for fun? Like, what's your hobby?
I like stay home.
Okay.
Love sleep.
Sleep a lot?
Yeah.
Okay, all right then. And when it comes on to like a male, what's your type? You go for mostly?
Personality and mindset.
Mindset. So you don't have a physical type?
Well, yeah. I like tall guys.
Tall?
Yeah.
All right. And so once them tall and personality, that's good?
Yeah. I don't like bleacher either.
No bleacher. Like good complexion.
Yeah. Natural.
All right. All right, cool. All right, so what me gonna do right now, me gonna ask you what everybody ask me for ask people. Ask. Sorry, mommy, ask. All right, so if you were to choose between somebody wealthy or somebody that is ambitious and is like keep failing, like which one more you'd lean towards?
Well, to be honest, it all depends. But rather build with a man still.
Then forget a man that
Yeah.
already have him thing together?
Yeah.
All right. So got some pops. We're gonna find out why them pop the ballon, all right?
Sure.
All right. So we'll start with right here and go down the line, yeah? Right here, so. Your name, my G. Why you pop the balloon?
Yeah. Trendy King pan the TikTok 3Y. Yeah, and why I'm pop the balloon, she seem like a nice person, you know. But she said something will chew me off. She said she don't go out and she love lay down and sleep. Mama, you get fat for me. Can I spend enough, you know. I may go just a kill you with the food and we not go, you know, sweat it. You get big and fat for me, babe. I don't even thick or fat. Cause we go spend, you want KFC, me I say yes, babe. You want, me I say, me just a care. You good still, look good still. Big up, Mako car wash. Olympic way. If you car dirty and you want to clean, tall man did it. You know what I mean? Our business, yeah.
All right, G. So basically, I say, you know, like, say, she sleep a lot?
You know, that I don't tell you, know, boring what? No man no like no boring what? Alright, don't need this one.
Based on her appearance, though, how much did I rate her?
Yeah, she seem like a cool 7 still.
7 out of 10?
Yes, cool 7. You know what I mean? Dark skin, African, same way. You have a child?
Yeah.
Happy belated Mother's Day. Big up your
Thanks.
mother them same way, yeah.
What you think about him based on him appearance? How much did I rate him?
Well, I'm gonna return the 7. Nothing wrong with you, but just not my type.
He's not your type?
No.
So if him approach you outside, if he like,
No.
even if him...
But a friend zone him.
Nah, go work.
Alright.
Well, I
I
just
rather
see
buy
that.
your love, like buy love. Cause it a go on up, pay you for that.
Alright. Let's go down the line. Right, sir. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
No, sir. Sharp boss on Instagram.
Why you pop your balloon?
Yes, you know, like sharp man.
Yeah, but it take a while for you pop the balloon when she said that.
Calm me down. Wow, think about it. Is it? Yeah.
Sometimes I wish I did taller.
Active.
Sharp boss. Brr, burn up front.
No.
You know, fair. Me ask say sometimes you really wish I taller. You tell me say.
What you know? God do the wicked for make. Yeah, so short and yeah, so
Yeah,
short.
but Chairman and me have to tell that, bro.
I tell it, I tell it. Look, you mean, yeah.
Okay. How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Why you want a 360?
Oh, so, yeah,
Nothing around there, just rate me.
I'm in full attitude. I give my 8 still. Yeah, and chrome skin, you see it?
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
Chrome skin?
Brown. Not really brown, dark skin face. Kind of fresh, so happy to see you.
Alright. What do you think about him based on him appearance?
Well, may I give you a 7. Like a bandy leg. Mm-hmm. And go on. Like that.
Yeah? Alright then, come down to this side. Your name why you pop your balloon?
Name Sauce Boss. Reason pop balloon. She said she don't like bleacher. Me a bleacher. Yeah. That a hungry reason. She look good.
You bleach?
Yeah.
I don't know them thing here. Okay. How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her 8. Me know her. So me know she did plan for this, she da come out hotter. But for now, I give her 8, you know?
Alright. Based on him appearance, how much did I rate him?
May I give him a 10 because I'm a dog.
You
I'm
know
a
him?
dog, yeah.
Your friends on him?
Yeah. I'm a killer.
Yeah, I'm
From
a
school
killer.
days, I'm a killer.
I'm a killer, man.
You have a balloon? Okay. Come down to this side. Alright then. So the man them without a balloon, walk with grace from now, please. Alright, this is for you. So what more you do? Pop 2 male balloon. Alright. Come down to this side. Your name?
I don't know, sir. Rice bag, I know. Yeah. So I make it laugh.
Why you pop film balloon?
Alright, to be honest, don't want to be disrespectful, but for the scandal burger, I want something the belt buckle.
Mm-hmm.
Just not my type, really. I know my type.
Because of the belt buckle?
Yeah.
You know, like the
Mm-mm.
belt?
Not at all. Just not my type.
Oh, you know, like
Yeah.
nothing at all about him. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Yeah, 4.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Give her 10 still because she come out in a eyelash. So man say, you know, say eyelash them happy catch. Yeah, so man say, you know me attack already.
Catch what?
The facial man and the facial man zup zup. There's a man say zup zup. And catch it. You don't want to go in there, yeah, so the man say for protect. The man say.
Oh, the eyelash them for protect them eye.
Yeah. And then she come out with the matching thing. So I think say it gonna be a match. So man say.
Matching thing, what you call matching thing?
No money, crooks them man. Yeah, crooks them man. Yeah.
Oh, so you did rate her how much?
I remember what me say a while ago. A 10 still, you know. I think a 10 me say.
Alright then.
Thanks.
Come to this side. Your name, IG?
Turnbull.
Why you pop his balloon?
Because he's my one-time primary school classmate, and him too short.
No feel away.
I hate that.
My question, when you say she not like sharp man though, like why you keep the balloon?
Because you want to get the chance to talk to her still, because unless school and then they want to talk back on.
But you don't either talk to her either way.
Yeah, of course. Can't go show mother and father, you know?
Alright. And how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
10.
Oh God, you make my bucket scale, mama. 10. Look good, like a tattoo them still.
Thanks.
Yeah?
Yeah, I hate that.
Alright, come to this side. Alright, my G. Man, them out a balloon walk with grace for me now. G them, come to this side. All right. So you have 3 G writers, sir. You're gonna get a chance to ask each of them a question. We're gonna see if there's a chemistry, okay? All right, we're gonna start with this side, all right?
Sure.
All right. Your name, G?
Michael, my boss, Michael Harris.
What's his question?
What's your ideal first date?
Me can go check some records.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's it?
Yeah.
Your name?
Bangs underscore Trim.
Do you like kids?
Yeah.
Sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Your name?
Critical King on all platform.
What do you do for a living?
So I do forex trading and I have a little small clothing business coming up right now. Everything out same, yeah.
Like kids?
I love kids. I
Want
say
to
big
have
up
kids?
Best Beats, my platform that just check out Best Beats, forget it all like bad beats them. Let's check it out. I mean that's no more.
So if you like kids,
I
planning
love
to
kids.
have?
No, we don't have kids.
Okay.
All right. All right. So yeah, ask each of them a question. It's only fair for them ask you back a question because more know if they still want to be here. Okay. All right. Come. All right. What's the question for you? You can ask her a question.
So what kind of work you do now? Nurse?
Flash tech.
Okay, she's nice, bossy.
That's it?
Like girl work, yeah.
Question for her?
If you feel that much.
Too quick. Another question.
Yeah, how much?
20.
Alright.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So I was my type.
Well, your height.
No
I
else?
like your height. Your complexion. Height, complexion.
But that answer my question.
No.
Okay.
Eh?
Yeah.
You answer?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So the man them. Now keep on the balloon. All right. Okay. Right, sir. My G, before we go on, why you kept the balloon?
No long time, my boss from youth and from me and I mean know from long time days. Know her father and my father used to take him pants man. Me know her friend she look a bit, you see me? Yes, yeah.
Yeah, watch her grow.
Yeah. Yeah, my boss.
Okay. And how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her 9.
9 out of 10? What do you think about him based on him
10.
appearance? 10?
10, yeah.
All right. All right. My G, why you pop your balloon?
She said me and her type, so definitely she not gonna choose me that way, so just pop it, you know?
Oh, because you asked her that question there. You just wanted to know.
Yeah, me just want to know for her really, so me know give me balloon or not.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her 8.5.
9.
9? Why? He's not a type though.
He's just not my type, really.
If I ask, if you know, like, document it.
Okay.
Explain it funny and tell me why.
No, I'm not going into the details, just not my type.
Okay.
But you said the height alone.
Yeah, I like him height and him complexion.
Okay.
Alright. To the side. Alright, my G, without a balloon. Walk with grace from now, please. Alright. Alright, we're down to 1. Nail with a balloon right now. Is there any question you want to ask her before we go on?
No, yeah, move on, man.
Yeah, move on?
Yeah.
Is there any question you want to ask him before we go on?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Live alone or live with parents?
Live with my mother.
Okay. Mother only?
Yeah, my brother.
Oh, so you come here, no problem.
No problem, not today.
Okay. Like that.
That's it?
Mhm.
Question good? No more question?
No more question, boss.
Alright, my G. Okay, we want to find out right now. Is it a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match for you?
Yeah, man.
It's a match?
Yeah, man.
Alright, cool. I'll find out right now.
Keep it. I hear that now.
Is it a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match for you?
Yes, Rolly.
We have a match? We have a match? We have a match! We have a match! Yes! Alright! Okay. All right. Whoa. You don't know season 2, so me have a ask you. All right, so no, you have a match right now, but are you willing to risk it all and see if you can win up to 100,000?
But not risk it, really. We can make that together. Nah risk.
You can win up to 100,000 today.
Nah risk.
You're not gonna risk it.
Waiting, risky?
We don't know.
Oh, but you're not
You're
so
not.
sure.
You're not. Okay. All right. So we have a match, right?
Yeah.
We have a match. All right, go on. Hey! Walk with grace now. Walk with grace. All right. Yes. Let's go. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Watching up, people. More and big up the real studio. I just asked for the time and now it's 11 o'clock. You see? So you tell me say I have to drive go in, go front of my laptop, edit, because then they say, Rolly, what is it? And you don't subscribe. I am so upset. Don't talk to me. Subscribe. No, I need a hug. I feel that way for real. Subscribe. Because I see say a lot of people I watch and want to subscribe. We can reach a 300,000 subscriber if you subscribe. Me hug and squeeze here, you know. You know? Yo. All right, watch you now. When you ready for the next? Female? Yeah? All right then. Come in. Let's go. Come to this side. Please make sure. Wait until she try to say yeah. Come to this side. Right, sir. Hi.
Hi, Rolly.
Woman here.
Hi, Rolly. What's up?
Hi. Introduce yourself.
So, hi, guys. Good night. I am Crystal. I am from Kingston. Also, I am a content creator as well as a business person / entrepreneur.
You're not from Linstead?
No, I'm not.
I thought you were from Linstead, you know?
No, I'm not.
So you travel from Kingston?
Yes.
Okay.
Searching for love, I guess, quote unquote.
All right, cool. And you say what type of job do you do?
A business person / entrepreneur, also a content creator. So I have a YouTube channel, On Ear with Crystal. Subscribe.
Okay. When it comes on to a male though, what's your type?
My type is I love strong, hardworking men. Once you're working your honest bread and you're making ends meet, that's good for me. As well as, I like dark men. So I've never dated someone that is light in complexion. For a myriad of reasons, I just prefer dark chocolate,
Oh, dark chocolate. All right, I understand. And when it comes on to like a first date, like where's the best first date?
I am a seafood lover, so I would love to go to Port Royal or the other place, Palm Spring, what's name again? That I remember.
Ocean?
No, the other one. They're close to Active. No man, the seafood, but seafood.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Mono.
Seafood.
Okay, Mono, what you mean? All right then. All right, cool. Shout out the social.
Yes, so my social is On Ear with Crystal. That's on all platforms. That's on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube.
All right, and before we go, what's your hobby?
Well, my hobby is a myriad of activities. I love to swim. I love to travel. I love to go to Blue Mountain. I'm an active person. I'm a Leo, active, vibrant, love party, love go out. Any fun activity. Just the other day I was in Hinduism in Negril. It was very, very nice. I would recommend anybody to go out, enjoy yourself, live your life. One life you get to live. Live your life.
All right, bet. Yeah. All right, so we didn't get a pop, so we're gonna see. Right? We're gonna do it right now. All right, so based on appearance, I just wanted to pop 3 male balloons.
Based on appearance?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. I am a sophisticated person. I love when men groom themselves, no disrespect, but you're not groomed. in regards to your dressing, sweetie, I have to pop it. Sorry. Yeah.
One more.
Three. This one's tough. I love you, sweetie, but we just don't like the tag. I don't like the display of the tag, but then we're gonna be biased because I see more than one tag. Yeah.
One more. One.
Sorry, baby. Sorry.
Into this side. All right.
Yeah.
We'll start right here, okay?
Yeah, must look ready.
All right, my G. Your name is?
You know, sir, yes, work though.
All right, so why you kept the balloon? Why didn't you pop?
As me say, mom's good still, you know. Yeah. That's why I never pop it still.
All right. Why you pop his balloon?
Just his attire. I don't like his attire at all. Just look like one yard slippers. Like you should have come in as something better, you know. And the Mickey Mouse is dirty. Even if you're going to display it, at least wash it. You get what I say? At least wash the Mickey Mouse. Like right now, Mickey Mouse a scream. You have her dirty. You should have washed her, you know. And yeah, because I know people that do a lot of style and everything, but you should have just carry yourself just a little bit more.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I will give him a 2. A 2.
2?
Yeah.
We not cheat like a nobody still, you know.
Yeah. Well,
Nobody.
it's just
Better you
it's a
just a
numeral.
few or two. No,
It's
no.
a numeral, sweetie. You don't have to take it.
And why you give him a 2? Because of the Mickey Mouse?
No, it's just the fact that him have on clothes. Why I'm really giving him a 2 still, you know. Just the fact that him have on clothes. You know?
Me never do forward naked. So
Yeah, but
say.
I'm just saying, like, I just don't want to be mean, so I'm just giving you a numeral.
Yeah, me overstand.
All right, so based on her appearance, what do you think about it? How much did I rate it from 1 to 10?
I give her 5, man. You know.
5 out of 10?
Yeah, man, a 5, man.
Why 5?
Me no, just give her 5. Feel like, you know.
Oh, you just feel like the 5 and just...
Yeah, although she just like she got a funeral still, but you know, yeah.
Listen, I just like I'm going to a funeral.
Full black man, you know, see no other is color, you know, see. Yeah, like a funeral, like a old dead.
Who did? Maybe your swag, sweetie. Maybe your swag. Yeah.
You know, so you can rise back like Jesus, though.
3 days. 3 days. 3 days.
Alright.
Yeah. All right.
Interesting. Your name, Muji?
Michael is my father.
Alright, so why didn't you pop your balloon? Why you kept it?
You know, it's me like a look style and thing from the another reason. I'm thinking from come and show she post me says me see another all vibes and a reason. Like her still, but you know, say and I'm here type my boss, so you know that come down to. We just walk with grace or something like so.
Alright. What do you think about him? Why you pop your balloon? Why you pop his balloon though?
All right, the reason I pop his balloon because I had to eliminate somebody. You know, it's nothing personal. You know, I just had to eliminate, and he was the closest. Yeah.
Oh, he was the closest one
To eliminate. Yeah.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I would give him a 9. I like his drip. Yeah.
9 out of 10?
Yeah.
And you pop him balloon only because he was so close
To
to you.
be eliminated, yes. One has to go, sweetie. One has to go.
What do you think about her based on her appearance?
She look nice, my boss. Me give her 10 too.
10?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
That is all. Come on here.
What are you doing? What is he doing?
Alright. Your name, Muji?
No, say a sharp boss.
Why you kept your balloon, sharp boss?
From her come here. Yeah, they pan her. Yeah, catch me, go yeah them. That's it.
Catch your eye them.
Have me attention. Yeah. And you know what to? Can me tell him? Yeah.
You tell him?
No, me tell her. Tell she or whatever.
Yeah, just use the proper words.
Wait, alright, so why you pop His balloon.
The reason I pop his balloon, appearance, right? As I stated, I love when men are groomed, well kept, even sweetie. I understand, and I don't want to be disrespectful. I don't want to practice being disrespectful to anybody because, nobody likes being disrespected or someone disrespecting them, right? But it's just the appearance. It's if they come clean and nice, like I'm a germaphobe. I love wash. I love clean. Like me clean the house all 3 times for the day. You get what I say? Like if I see you right, I'm gonna beat you. Cause why you come here with the ear looking like that? And
you
your
just
shirt, like wash your shirt in some blue soap. See, and I no disrespect. I
Yeah.
just love see white shirt, look white. Period. So nothing
Dominate it,
disrespectful. Go ahead.
That's enough.
All right. Take care.
How much did I rate it from 1 to 10?
Would I give him just give him a 1.
Yeah, cause I don't want two, But
Yeah, if
yeah.
them a wire out the 2, so just
Yeah,
give him a 1.
Yeah.
Because your hair has a lot to do with your
Yeah, just
grooming,
someone.
and your shirt. Maybe if you choose a different color shirt, maybe would I give up. But a 5,
Alright, so based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
I give him a 8.
8 out of 10. Why? 8.
Alright. Yeah.
Eh?
Look nice. Mm-hmm.
And he keeps saying him, like, stop
Maybe
using that.
she look nice. Yeah.
Yes, use the proper words, okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Just a smile so sharp, boss. Alright. Come to this side.
Oh my God.
Alright, the man them without a balloon, or could grace for money, please. Come to this side, Maji. Alright, so right now, we're gonna go down the line and you're gonna ask each of them a question. Forget to know them. Yeah?
Mhm.
Let's go. Your name?
Trendy King on the TikTok, my bro. Yeah.
What's his question?
Okay, where do you see yourself within the next 5 years?
Real estate, baby, straight.
Real estate?
Yeah, apartment settings, I know. Mm.
Or real estate?
Real estate.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Um,
Your name?
Turnbull.
how old are you?
20.
20?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it?
Yeah.
Your name?
Sauce boss.
What do you like to do? What's your hobby?
My hobby. Cook. I love cook.
You love to cook? Oh, I love curry chicken and rice. Would you
Yeah.
make that for me?
Of course.
Okay, sounds nice. Sounds nice.
Alright. Right, so come right here. Yeah. Your name?
Critical trim, monogram.
His question?
How tall are you?
6'3".
6'3". I like a tall person. Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna reverse it. You're gonna get a chance for ask her a question.
How old are you?
I'm 24.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Question? Ask her a question.
Where you see yourself 5 years from now?
Where I see myself 5 years from now, I want to be established in regards to my business, as well as I want to finish the University of Technology. I need to urban finish that degree. I know it's been a minute. Yeah, and just be more successful, and my daughter getting older and life nice. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
My G, what's her question?
Alright, so what exactly you look for in a man? What exactly do you look for in a man?
What exactly do I look for in a man?
Yeah.
I like a provider. I love somebody that is confident within themselves and know what they're about. When you come into a room, you should command that room. You should know that your presence is welcome, and the man is dominant, because I am a dominant female, which means that the only time I'll be submissive is to a person that is confident within themselves. So
Being around like woman like this, so that make me feel more mature in a role, believe.
Alright.
More mature. Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
What's her question?
Yeah, so maybe 100,000. Oh, would you spend that 100,000?
If you give me 100,000 right now, the first thing I'll do is to ensure that I pump that money into the business that I'm doing. So I do I sell soap, tissue, bleach. So I have a cleaning supply business. So I'll pump that money into the cleaning supply business. So if you give me 100, we're definitely spinning that into a 200 or maybe more.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Alright, so the man them want to find out if you wanna keep on a balloon. Everybody's keeping their balloon? My G? Keep it? Alright, so it's up to you right now. You're gonna go ahead and pop 2 balloon, okay?
I'm sorry, sweetie, but it's too young. But I love you guys so much.
Okay, alright. Come to this side. Come. Alright, my G. Why you kept your balloon though?
She seem like an ambitious lady, you know? Like, she genuine, she make me progressive in her life, you know?
Oh, you just feel that energy there?
Yeah, she just make me feel, I really feel like a little boy around her, you see me?
And that you look for?
Yeah. And look, like, she not really like eyeglass to that, you know? Yeah.
How you feel when she pop your balloon?
I really feel now, yeah, cause, you know, I'm young, see me, so she not really look for no little boy, so, but rate her still.
Alright, and how much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Yeah, 10 out of 10, man. Nice, big woman. She carry herself good. Nice, little melanin, you know? Yeah.
Why you pop his balloon?
Age. The age has a lot to do with it. The fact that also we have to eliminate people as well. So yeah.
But his age
Yes.
is the reason why you pop the
Yes,
balloon.
yes.
And how much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
I'll give him a 7.
Yeah?
Reasonable.
Yes.
Alright, this side. Alright. Why you kept your balloon all along?
She carry herself nice and she seems ambitious. Yeah, independent. Like the type of girl, you know?
That are your type.
Yeah.
And how you felt when you popped the balloon?
No. I feel no way. She like older man that she say but still like her. Yeah.
And how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
I get around 8.
8 out of 10?
Yeah. She nice, yeah.
Why you pop his balloon?
The reason I pop his balloon, age as well. He's young, and I just want them to explore life, enjoy life, live a little, you know, before commitments. Yeah.
And how much should I rate him?
I'll give him a 7 as well.
7?
Yeah.
Alright, G. Wasn't that much for you two? Walk with grace from please. Come to this side, my G. Alright, so we're down to 2 meals. We're gonna do a 1 minute and a half speed of question. We're gonna see if you guys have chemistry, feel the vibe, energy, you know? So we're gonna start with over here. Remember, you wanna get to know her, you wanna see if there's a chemistry, yeah? So, come. What's the question for her?
Yes, baby, you know we drive, so you have a license?
Actually, I do. Do you want me to show you it?
Not really.
Okay. Yes, I do have a license.
Yeah, because move around the street and we don't get tired, you know, because we love go on journey. I want to say, babes, take over.
Yeah, definitely.
Match up the road, chemistry.
Okay.
Chemistry, that. Any question for him before we go on?
Do you have kids?
No kids.
Okay. Do you want kids in the future?
Well, yeah, in the future though. Because as I said, real estate, you know, we're busy at builder. I know cap, check out my TikTok page, you will see.
Okay.
Yeah, we're busy at builder right now, so in the future.
Okay.
That's it?
Okay, that sounds good.
Alright. Maggie, what's the question for her?
What are some things you like to do?
Go ahead.
What are some things you like to do?
I said it earlier, but I can say it again. I love to travel. I love trying new recipes. I like swimming. So I'm an adventurous type of person. Anything that gets me excited, you know, going to some various places, jumping off maybe a cliff with the parachute thingy. I'm just all for love, joy, peace, happiness.
All right. Yeah, man.
Any question for him?
I'm actually running out of questions. Do you have kids?
No.
And how old are you? Why is he laughing?
I have a laugh because Me you pop them down the balloon. And me and him down there same age. Just there wait for you long to come pop my balloon, bro.
Oh my, oh my.
Oh,
He's so young.
Them man they all have me same way. Some of them know how she still have me up here, so. You see me, bro?
oh, so basically, yeah, so you did see it falling.
Yeah, look at shot man is all on me. I don't know what
Oh my.
I look at shot and it's all
Oh
on me.
my. I didn't know that.
And why you kept the balloon though?
Because she look nice. Nah, like, she look good. Isn't me? She look nice.
Is she a type though?
Not really, cause she look kinda, she have a big woman look way. Me not she like to that. You know, me no,
What do you mean? What do you mean exactly?
me no know. You're not really my type.
Okay.
She have a bigger man look and a light bigger man look.
Me like big woman, but does fear look, we just don't like fear look, isn't it?
Oh, fear bigger man look.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We don't like fear body, you know? But
Oh, like,
her face look nice and thing, her complexion look nice and thing, but we just don't like her body. Isn't me? That's it.
if you for rate it, how much should I rate it from 1 to 10 though?
But I give her a 4. Nah, this is but I just give her a 4. That's not my type, you know?
4 out of 10.
Yeah, 4 out of 10.
Okay.
You think about what you want to say? And
You give me no. He said he's giving me a 4. You know. As I said, I'm a type of person where like I like to fit up and I'm a little bit petty as well. So like I was give me a 4, like I give him back a 4 as well. You know, so I'm stay.
You know me no a 4.
Yeah.
You know me no a 4.
I don't care.
No, but you know me no a
I'm
4, bro.
petty.
Come on.
I'm petty, baby. I'm in my feelings right now.
4.
I hear some look big man. What you mean like me look big man? Big man have a look?
No, you say you're 24, you look all on 24.
How?
You look all on 24 to be
How?
honest.
I'm just more mature.
No. More to call it mature, it just look.
How old?
I don't know, just look like I go through enough struggles and things in our life and so, you go through a hard time there, isn't it so?
Okay. That's your assumption.
Yeah, that's just my opinion.
And if you're supposed to guess her age? Alright, yes, she tell you her age, but like, how much what the age does she look like though?
Okay, 32 to me. Isn't it?
32?
32.
Oh my god, you're doing too much now.
No, like, to be honest, look at 32 for real.
Oh, I'm look like 32.
Take off your glass.
Me no look like 32. No time.
Well, the glass make you look younger than 32 then. Me not disrespect anything, but
have it your way like Burger King, sweetie.
Yeah.
I'm not going to argue.
Alright, my G, it wasn't that much today. What could grace for me now? Alright. Don't to one right now. Alright, so we're gonna do a speed off still. Is there any question you wanna ask her, bro? Because remember, we're in Linstead, bro. And you wanna get to know her, see the chemistry, energy. What's the question for her?
Yeah, so my question to you is this. A question I want to pass one way. Where do you see me taking you out on the first date? You say you love seafood and them something, but I have to ask you the same way. Like me and your first date. I want you give me a budget to me I work with.
Well, for the first date, you can literally just walk with a nice 20 pack, you know, because seafood is very expensive, especially lobster in Jamaica. So a little 20 pack now, kilo, you know, nice. That covers transportation, gas, everything. Yeah.
Both you? Both
yeah,
of you?
for both of us. Yeah.
One more question. The second date now. How much I pay for spend?
How much may I prefer spend?
Yeah.
If we're going on a date, right? Because of how traditional you guys like to put things, quote unquote, normally the man covers for the date because you're the one that is taking me on the date.
So what you trying to say? You wanna like take me out on a date?
If we're like after the relationship, after we're through with the vetting period
Fast forward,
and the
relationship
courting.
after, you are take me out on a date, you know. How much you spend?
If we're going on a date, no problem, me drop a 10 pack.
Alright, normal still. Normal.
Yeah?
Yeah, at least you pay for spend. Cause them woman always say I am the table. Game change long time. Our food go up on table, yeah? Believe.
What's the question for him?
In regards to your overall growth and development, how good are you with budgeting and maintaining your finance?
Like I'm like very good. At one point, me have a lot of thousands, and me still like cream crackers and sachets. Big up them company there. Yeah, wanna make me reach my goal faster. Yeah, sardine too. Protein. Yeah, believe. So I'm good with budgeting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah?
Mhm.
Any more question?
No.
You are the question. All right, then. So we're going to ask the final question then. Okay? Ready? All right, my G. All right, so I'm going to ask you. Is that much for you?
I'm still contemplating. Just small stuff. I'm still contemplating.
Is that much for you?
No.
It's not that much for you?
No.
It's not that much?
No.
It's a popping balloon.
Sorry, sweetie.
Big up Crossroad man them. Spanish road. Big up the man for the mountain hilltop.
My G. All right, so you kept your balloon. Why? Try on this. You kept your balloon. Why?
Because I have her number.
For business. For business.
Yeah, I have her number, bro.
For business.
Nah, man.
All right. And how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her 10, man. The first 10 for a night. You know what I mean? Yeah, I give her 10.
10
I
out?
have her number.
For business.
I have her number.
For business.
Okay. I'm going to make a business call.
Business.
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 All right. And how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
From 1 to 10, I'll give him a 6.5.
10, me have her number. 10.
6.5. Business.
I give her a 10.
And why you popping balloon?
The reason why I popped the balloon is because, to be honest, as I said, my type just not there, but still a search. So I'm searching like Google right now, still searching. So if my type is out there, when I know someone like 45 and old, I'm looking for a sugar daddy, I'm a sugar baby, I'm out.
I have her number. I know she never single. I have her number.
For business, he keeps saying he has my number. You have my
She's
number
not
for
single.
business.
She's not
For
single.
business.
Shout out my YouTube, Champ TV. I come back over there, Because a girl draw a knife for me, I'm cut. But I come back over Champ TV.
All right, bro. She pop your balloon. Was it that much today? Walk with grace for me now, please. All right, so basically you're angle business.
Business.
So he
As I
wasn't.
say, I have a cleaning supply business, so I'm networking with people. So when he keeps placing emphasis on the fact that he has my number, I exchange number because that's my business number. That's my business WhatsApp. So
Okay.
it meant nothing to me.
And it wasn't that much?
No, it wasn't.
Because?
Just not my type. And I just believe that my soul person will find me soon.
All right, so you left from Kingston, come to Linstead, and it wasn't that much. You know what you have to do?
Walk with grace.
Give me this. Thank you. All right, so people, come closer for me now. Before I go in, me on for a reason, I have to give you a hug. I have to go in like a hug, like for real, like thank you. Thank you for being here. At least we get how much in our Linstead. St. Elizabeth Lookout. I don't know. Olaba, you're gonna have to message me. You're gonna have to send me a DM in my Instagram, okay? Olaba, Negril. Negril, they're far, but we're planning on it. Just send me a DM in our Instagram if you want to be a part. And remember, dress your best like a first date, okay? Remember, I'm tired of the people that might judge me in the comment section. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for supporting. I appreciate you. And I love you like all the time. God unite, live boss. Yo, big up, see ya. You see it? Yeah, chips.
This banana chips for you, make you crunch it.
GCT forever.
and ever we say goodbye. Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Eh. Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Roll to 200k. Get me a say, like, comment, subscribe.